Welcome to the heart of Texas, where history and government come alive in the magnificent Texas state capitol. Standing tall and proud in Austin, this iconic building is a testament to the Lone Star State's rich heritage and unwavering spirit. Completed in 1888, the Texas Capitol is a true marvel of architecture and engineering. Did you know it's actually taller than the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C.? That's right, everything really is bigger in Texas. This stunning structure is built from beautiful sunset red granite, quarried from Marble Falls, giving it a unique and striking appearance that captures the essence of the Texas landscape. As you step inside, you'll be transported through time, surrounded by incredible artwork and symbols of Texas pride. The Capitol isn't just where laws are made, it's a living museum that tells the story of our great state and its people. From the intricate floor mosaics to the Grand Rotunda, every corner of this building holds a piece of Texas history. But the Capitol's significance goes far beyond its architectural beauty. It stands as a symbol of Texas' journey from an independent republic to the 28th state of the Union. The building has witnessed countless debates, decisions, and moments that have shaped the course of Texas history. As you explore the Capitol grounds, you'll find monuments and memorials honoring the heroes and events that have defined our state. The towering statue of the Goddess of Liberty atop the dome serves as a beacon of freedom and democracy, visible for miles around. Inside the Senate and House chambers, buzz with activity during legislative sessions, where elected officials work to shape the future of Texas. But even when the legislature isn't in session, the Capitol remains a hub of activity, welcoming visitors from around the world who come to experience a piece of Texas history firsthand. From the expansive grounds to the ornate chambers, every aspect of the Capitol tells a story. It's a place where the past and present converge, where the spirit of Texas independence meets modern governance. If you're ever in Austin, make sure to put the Texas Capitol at the top of your must-see list. Take a guided tour, wander the halls at your own pace, or simply admire the building's majestic exterior. No matter how you choose to experience it, you'll leave with a deeper appreciation for the Lone Star State and its enduring legacy. The Texas Capitol truly embodies the Texas spirit. Big, bold, and brimming with history. It's more than just a building, it's a symbol of Texas pride, a testament to our state's unique character, and a reminder of the values that have shaped our great state. So come on down and experience the heart of Texas for yourself. The Capitol's doors are always open, ready to welcome you to a journey through time and Texas tradition.